Weather headlines, here's what we're focused on right now. We're looking at rain on radar. I'll show you that. We do have a few showers coming in. We're going to talk about the warmest days ahead and some of the coolest nights. Plus, we've got cold fronts on the way. One of them looks pretty strong. All right, let's take a look at what's going on right now with winds. We've got winds coming in out of the northeast. They were more northwesterly this morning, but they have shifted around to the northeast now. And that's helping to carry in a few showers right along the coast. High pressure in the Gulf taking over our forecast right now. It's not quite strong enough, though, to keep the rainfall away. It's not bringing in any drier air. We got moisture coming in right along the coast, and that's why we're seeing these showers scoot on in today. So not a whole bunch happening up along the Treasure Coast. It's mostly been Palm Beach County, maybe little southern Martin County, but you can see the rainfall coming in there around Juno Beach, Palm Beach Gardens, inland toward the acreage in Loxahatchee. We've got some heavier rainfall in the yellow here in darker green. That's just off of Briny Breezes, Gulfstream, and Boynton Beach. That's headed on in, and also some rainfall now headed toward Highland Beach and Boca. And we've already seen some rainfall there. The chance for rain today is about 30%. It actually goes down to about 20% tomorrow and really less than 10% on Friday. Saturday will bring a couple showers back into the forecast, but not much. Temperatures across the country are extremely warm for a good chunk of the country. Everywhere you see an orange here, that's where we're seeing above average temperatures today. In some cases, 15 to 20 degrees above average. And tomorrow, more of the same. Everywhere in orange is where we'll see above average temperatures. You notice Florida is included in that for tomorrow. Let's take a look at current temperature. 73 Indian River Shore, 75 Fellsmere, 75 in Fort Drum right now. Around Okeechobee, 75 degrees. Belle Glade at 74, 71 West Palm, 73 in Delray. Cooler air in place right now, but we do have a bit of a warm up on the way tomorrow. As winds become more southerly, we're going to start to see those temperatures climb to near 80, but a cold front sweeps through on Friday, cools us down, and Saturday we warm back up again. So it's a little up and down for the next few days. So I'll show you that in the 7-day forecast in a moment. Beach and boating forecast for today: 2 to 4 foot seas along the Palm Beaches, 3 to 4 foot seas along the Treasure Coast, and a moderate risk for rip currents, plus those showers moving on in. A mixture of sun and clouds today with coastal showers cruising in from northeast to southwest and east to west. Temperatures mainly in the mid 70s for highs once we get some breaks of sunshine here and there, and a few upper 70s for highs down in the southern parts of Palm Beach County. Tonight, 50s around the lake, especially northern and eastern sides of Lake Okeechobee, and we'll be in the 60s everywhere else. And then tomorrow, a lot of high temperatures in the 80s, a warm and humid day with a lower chance for rain. A few showers scooting from south to north along the coast. So 30% chance for rain today, and then a 20% chance for tomorrow. Cold front moves through Thursday night. Temperatures dropping into the 50s, and a bit of a cooler day on Friday with more sunshine. Then on Saturday, we warm up again. Cold front Saturday night. Temperatures drop again down into the 50s, and a cooler day on Sunday with highs in the mid 70s, warming up Monday and Tuesday. If you're looking for really cold temperatures, well, you might have to wait until next weekend. Not this weekend, but next weekend. Computer models do have a strong cold front headed our way. Tiffany?